Howdy ho, bitches. 15th of April, 2018. As you can see, it's a lovely day out there on this never-ending Canadian winter. Yeah, feel like cooking up the stew today, so that's exactly what's going on. This is not a how-to, this is just what the fuck I'm doing. And no worry, I didn't make anything fancy. Got 2 pounds of sirloin, it was on for $10, so just browning it up. Doing it in the crock pot today. And I'll be back. And I am drinking. Haven't shot any video in a while, so here we go. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Arr! Hey, even though it's not a how-to, this is just an update. Meat's all brown. Took three tries. 3 goes. Beauty. Onion. And beer. This won't be ready till about fucking 10 or 11 at night. I don't give a shit. That's how we do it in the drunk house, bitches. A bit of salt. Okay, beer. I'll be back. Woo! RTFO, mofo. Giddy up, buttercup. Alright, bitches. Just a quick update, because I need a beer. Everything's in. We're good to fucking go. See you about 10 o'clock for a taste test. Won't be ready. Probably ready about midnight. 5 now, so fucking A. Woo! Drink up, buttercup. Hola, bitcholas. It's about 10 after 10 in the night. 15th of April. A snowy, shitty, icy 15th of April. Well, the fucking stew is ready. I got it turned down to the keep warm. I just turned it down, just tasted it. It tastes fucking awesome. So, here we go. Some form of beef stew. I got corn in here, I got carrots, celeries, potatoes, beef, onions, what else? I don't know, a bunch of stuff. Seemed like the right thing to do. Woo! Off of the beer, back down to the fucking Coke. You know, a functioning piss tank should never drink more than 8 hours in a day. So, I'm not saying how many beers you should have. I have between 12 and 18 in that 8-hour time, but now it's time to get on to the fucking Coke. Or water. Okay, let's try this out. It's gonna be fucking hot. Potatoes are fairly decent. Yeah, good. Try this out. Keep this short. Fucking hot though. There we go. Woo! Hot to hold the bowl. Ow. Karst. That's fucking good. Could use a bit more pepper. Salt is good. A nice piece of beef there. Oh yeah. Pepper. Okay, there you go. RTFO, mofos. Just something to do on a Sunday afternoon when it's fucking snowing and shitting out. Even though this is night now. Started in the day. Alright, RTFO. Woo! No tea tonight. Doesn't matter.